Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's almost weekend, Friday, January the 20th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru, and this will be my 1000th tectonic puzzle. Yes, but you are not interested in this one, but the binary. Yes, but you should also try the tectonic. I love the tectonics. Anyway, the binary puzzle. Okay, binary puzzle number 5825. 5825. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. 14. Alright, 14. Alright. And before I start, yes, I 14. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. Okay. That means 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column, we have here 4 ones. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. Well. Question is, one of the last puzzles has also here 4 ones. I need to check if this is a similar binary puzzle. Anyway, let me continue and finish this puzzle. I will check this later on, and I'm not pleased if the publisher published the same puzzles. Anyway, yeah, let me continue. Alright, double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Okay. Let me see. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between is always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth of 1. So that box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, well, yeah, need to think. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have here 3 ones in a row in this first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column, not allow one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Then. I think we need to compare. Yeah, we have 1, 2 completed O's, 1, 2, 3, 4 completed columns. We have 1001 here, 1001, O, Look to this column and that column, to the O's. Here we have O, first O, second O, third O. Here in this column, the fourth O is there. I cannot place the fourth O in this column there, otherwise we have identical columns. So this can be no, this should be a 1 then. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay. 101, 101. This column, second column, and that column. Let me compare. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 0, empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Okay, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, completed in 7 minutes. Okay. I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, my 1000th puzzle, tectonic puzzle, yes. Until then, bye bye for now.